Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw an alien monster. So I've already had a go at this one. I've done a few monsters today, so this is one I drew on the computer and we're going to have a go at drawing that. It looks like he's being chased actually. It looks a shame for him. Let's have a look. So I'm going to put that computer in front of me and I can see if I can draw a picture that I've already drawn. So, looks like a cyclops at the beginning. I'm going to do the mouth first actually. I'm going to start with that. Go round like that, maybe in a bit. Scaredy mouth. And then the legs. These are a bit tricky. So I was trying to make it look like it slithered along. And I found that moving it up there made it look like it was walking, because it's only got tiny little, I don't know what they are. What are they? So yeah, just moving it up a little bit seemed to make it look better. So now I want to draw where should I put my eye? I need to be able to fit in the arms, you see, so I've got to be careful as to where. I think I'll put it around here. It's going to have a big eye on the top, like that. I want some bulges, like that, so it looks like his eyes inside and he can move around. So just going to put a bit of bulge there, and then I'm going to draw a wobbly line down to meet here. And I'm going to do the same at this side. So we're going to go out a little bit and have a wobbly, wavy line to there. Bring that in a little bit. Right, this bit's a bit difficult because we want him to look wild, like he's going with his arms flailing him around. So, now they go thicker at the inside here and then they go thinner on the outside. So wavy lines, just like that, however you want to do them. Make them look crazy. So again, I'm going to go a bit thicker here as it joins the body. And then I'm going to do another one, like that. A bit thicker again. And there we go. And then another one. Flick it that way. Right. On this side as well. Now, right. Maybe going up. I'm not copying off my picture at all now. Just going a bit. I think I might do that going down there like that, just make them all look messed up, different directions, whittling and right now it looks a bit weird at the moment. I've got a few things to add. First of all, we have a tongue because he's going so he needs a tongue in there. Well, I need to get a marker pen, I really do, because it takes me ages to colour this in. So, I have done quite a lot of aliens and monsters on my YouTube channel if you want to draw some more. Some are cute as well. I've done animals, robots, what's he called, Bigfoot, you find him on there. Loads of different, all sorts of stuff. You can actually message me if you want me to do one. You can tell me what you would like me to do and I will do a cartoon for you to draw along. So, right, now it looks weird. So we need some more eyes on. He needs to look a bit crazy, don't he? So let's put an eye there. I'm going to have that one looking right at you. I'm going to have one here. Let's go. There, like that. If you put the eyes in different directions, it looks pretty cool, I think. I like them crazy like. So, one here, a bit bigger maybe. Different sizes. There we go. And then I'm going to do a bigger one here. Yeah, it looks funny looking with different directions. Another one here, I think. Fill that little space in. Where shall I put that looking down? Alright, the one at the top is going to do a little different. So I'm going to do a circle slightly off centre. Again, make him look crazy. Now I want a white. We need to leave a white bit there. Like that. You'll see on my other videos, I do that to make it look like the eyes come alive. Right now, we need some wobbly bits. So we need some creases where his eyes moving. Shows that his eyes move. And then maybe on that one. Don't need too many because it looks a bit cluttered. But the mouth, I'm going to have a little, so he looks like his lips coming up. And then maybe a couple here and the same on that side. They don't need to be neat, they look good. Right, so next, to make his arms look like they're moving, all we do is one flick and then a larger one on the outside. And then maybe here. Now you'll notice I'm doing them on the outside. If I do it in there, that way, it doesn't work. It's just, what if we do it like that, it makes it look like he's moving his tentacles. There we go. Maybe on that one. There we go. It's working a little bit. And then we'll just do a one on there, I think, because it's only little. Right, I think we need another there on that bit to make that lip move. I think he's done. I think that might be done. So, I would like to see your pictures. I'm a writer and an illustrator, so I have my own Facebook page. You'll find the details below. If you send me your pictures, I will post them on my page. And thank you for watching. Have a look at my YouTube channel to see what other draw-throughs I've done. I think they're getting close to 50 of them now. So, thank you very much for watching. Hope you like this cute, scary, crazy, whatever, alien monster. Hope to see you next time.